Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today, I am going to take a math class for the student of class junior 1. Our today's lecture number 7 in annual term, and today SW number will be 7. Today SW number will be 7. My dear students, and our today's topics is a smaller to greater part 2. Smaller to greater part 2. So let us start. My dear students, in our class we shall solve two problems, and another problem will be your SW. I repeat it. In our class we shall solve two problems, and another problem will be your SW. So let us start our first problem. The question is, arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. Arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. That means some numbers are given: 500, 324, 421, 342, 450. These numbers are not arranged in a smaller to greater or greater to smaller, but here the question asks you to decorate the numbers in smaller to greater way. So here number, at first we read the number. At first we read the number. Here 500, 342, 324. Sorry, the number is 324, and the number is 421. This number is 342, and this number is 450. My dear students, you know the digit of this number, and you also know the place of a number. That means this place is called ones place, this place is called tens place, this place is called hundred place. I hope you have understood. This place is called ones place, this place is called tens place, this place is called hundred place. Similar as this place is called ones place, this place is called tens place, and this place is called hundred place. So at first we notice the hundred place. That means which number is smaller. So here hundred place is 5, here hundred place is 3, here hundred place is 4, here hundred place is 3, here hundred place is 4. My dear students, among these 5 number we notice 3 is smaller than 4 and 5. So this number and this number, from these two number, one number is smaller. Here the number is 324, here the number is 342. So 300 is same. So next we count last two digits, that means this 24 and this 42. Which number is greater? I hope you understand, because you are very smart learner. So you can easily answer the question that 24 is smaller than 42. So we can say that 324 is smaller than whole number. So at first we write which number? This 324. This 324. I hope you have understood. I repeat it again. Here 324, here 342. So 324 is smaller than 342. So we write 324 first. Okay. Next number, as 300, it is also 300. So the next smallest number is 342. So I write here 342. I hope you have understood. Okay, our 100 place, that means the place of 3 done. Then we shall notice here 5, 100 place is 5, here 100 place is 4, here 100 place is 4. So 5 is greater than these two 4. So we can consider these two number, 421 and 450. From these two number, which number is smaller and which number is greater? Notice here 421, here 450. As 400 is same, so we consider the next 2 digit. That means 2 1 here 5 1. 2 1 means 21 and 5 0 means 50. So between these two numbers, which number is smaller? I hope you have known the question, because 421 is smaller than 450. So I write 421. Okay. So this one is done. This one is done. And 450. Next we shall write 450. My dear students, which number is left? 500. Which number is left? This number is 500. Now we check 324, 342, 421, 450, 500. So from this number we arrange the number in smaller to greater form. Smaller to greater form. I hope you have understood how to find out a smallest number among some numbers, how to find bigger number among some numbers. So we shall go to our next number. Here some numbers are also given, and first we read the numbers first. This is 384. This is 320. This is 499. This is 450. This is 364. So we have already known the place of this digit of a number. Here this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundred place. So 100 tens ones. This is also 100 tens 1, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones. My dear students, now you notice 300 place digit, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3. So we know that 3 is smaller than 4. So we consider this 3 number, and from this 3 number we find out which number is smaller. Here 384, 320, 364. All the place of 100 are same, which is 3. But the tens place and ones place number is different. Here 84, here 20, here 64. So from tens place, which number is smaller? Here 84, 20, 64. Among 84, 20 and 64, we know that 20 is the smallest number. So the whole number is 320, and it is the smallest number among the 5 numbers. So I write 320 first, as it is a smallest number. And so this one is done. Okay. Next left 384 and 364. And which number is smaller between these two numbers? 384 or 364? I know you are very smart learner. For this reason you can easily answer that 364 is smaller than 384. So I write 364 first. Next. So this one is done. Next 384 must, because it is the smallest number then. Next left, how many numbers? 2 numbers. 499 and 450, and these 100 place are 4 and 4. So we notice which 2 digit? Tens place and ones place digit. Here tens place is 9 and ones place is 9. Here tens place is 5 and ones place is 0. So 9 9 it will be 99. 5 0 it is 50. So 499, 450. We know that 50 is smaller than 99. So we can write 450 as smallest number between these two numbers. So I write 450, and it is done. And our last number, that means 499, and it is the largest number among these 5 numbers. I hope you have understood. Here notice 320 320, 364, 384, 450, 499. So the number arranged in a smaller to greater form. Smaller to greater form. My dear students, I hope you have understood. If you understood or not, for these reasons I give you a SW. I give you a SW. Practice it by yourself. You can't take any help from any other person. You can solve this math by yourself. That means some numbers are given: 484, 448, 326, 375, 309. So some numbers are given which are not arranged. You can arrange the number in smaller to greater form. Smaller to greater form. My dear students, this is our today's SW, and it is SW number 7. In your SW copy, you must write the SW number. Here SW number 7. After that you write date. In which date you do SW, okay? Then you write headings, that means smaller to greater, part 2. After that you write the questions, that means these numbers. Then you write answer and draw box, and then you 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that you write the answer in the given box. I hope you have understood how to write SW in your SW copy. My dear students, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.